Hi guys, what is up today? It is a MyFitnessPal and Macrofactor video. Which option is better for you? Now, MyFitnessPal launched in 2005 and it has become one of the most popular calorie counter apps, boasting a vast food database and integration with various fitness devices. Macrofactor, introduced more recently, emphasizes accurate macro tracking with a verified food database and adaptive calorie recommendations based on user data. That part is very important. So, when it comes to food database accuracy, MyFitnessPal offers a massive database with millions of entries. However, they are user generated and can lead to inaccuracies requiring users to verify nutritional information. Macrofactor features a curated and verified food database, ensuring more accurate tracking without the need for manual verification. However, recipes can vary so vastly. Please keep that in mind, guys. Now, MyFitnessPal provides static calorie and macro targets based on initial user input, which may not adjust dynamically to individual progress. Macrofactor utilizes adaptive algorithms that adjust calorie and macro recommendations based on real-time user data, offering personalized guidance. In terms of user experience, MyFitnessPal is known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, including exercise tracking and community support. Macrofactor has been praised for its clean design and ease of use, focusing on efficient macro tracking without extraneous features. In terms of cost, then, MyFitnessPal offers a free version with ads, and premium features require a subscription. Macrofactor operates on a subscription based model, reflecting its premium features and verified database. If you prioritize a vast food database and additional features like exercise tracking, MyFitnessPal may suit your needs. However, if macro tracking with adaptive recommendations is your focus, Macrofactor offers a tailored experience. So let us know down in the comments section which one you prefer and what your experience is with either of the two. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.